Thank you.
Welcome. You got your book, Naitik?
Today.
You're going to get it today. Okay, get it soon. Okay. So Thursday you'll have the book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Naitik. Okay. Okay, we'll start the class. First, Rohita. Can you unmute Rohita? Rohita, can you stay on mute, Rohita?
Rohita, ma'am is calling you.
Okay. Okay, so first, Vidyut. Vidyut, can you hear me? Okay, can you sing the Machli rhyme? Machli rhyme.
मछली जल की रानी वस्तुति पर
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है।
आँख लगा तो
डाली तो डर जाएगी,
बाहर
तो मर जाएगी।
Wonderful, Vidyut. Wonderful. You deserve, definitely you deserve this golden slab. Very good. Very good. Super. Can you sing one more time louder? Can you sing one more time louder? Loud.
साउंड है पड़ा पहले मछली जल की पानी
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। हाथ डाली तो डर जाएगी,
बाहर
तो मर जाएगी।
Very good. Everybody, please clap. Put your hands together and clap for Vidyut. Wonderful, Vidyut. Rohita, Naitik.
धन्यवाद।
Very good. Namaste, Nukshita. Namaste. Good morning. Welcome to the class.
Thank you.
Okay. Very good, Vidyut. Okay. Next, Rohita. Machli rhyme. Wait. You're on mute. Wait.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है।
बाहर निकालो तो
खालो तो मर जाएगी।
Very good. Put your hands together for Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Perfect. Clear words. Very good. Ta-da-da.
My one pink star.
Pink star. Okay. Let me see.
Then my Guruji.
Dhanyawad, Rohita.
Wow, pink star.
Yeah, wow, pink star. Okay. Next, Naitik. Thank you, Rohita. You can stay on mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Machli.
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। आँख लगा तो डर जाएगी, बाहर निकाला तो मर जाएगी।
Very good. Put your hands together for Naitik, children. Clap, clap, clap for Naitik. Very good, Naitik. You should encourage your friends. Vidyut, Rohita, please keep your books there. I will call you. You can take your book that time. Okay, please clap for Naitik, children. Very good, Rohita. Good job. Super. Now, ready, Nukshita? Naitik, this purple star is for you. Naitik.
I want blue star.
You want blue? Okay. Blue. Okay?
धन्यवाद।
Dhanyawad, Naitik, for singing properly. Yes, Nukshita. Ready? Machli rhyme?
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है। काटो चले चलेगी,
बाहर
तो निकल
मर जाएगी. Very good. Nukshita, very good. Clap for Nukshita. Naitik and Rohita, clap for Nukshita. Very good, Nukshita. Super. You joined late and picked up soon. Very good. What star you want?
Thank you.
What star you want?
Which color you like?
Purple.
Purple.
Purple, ma'am.
Purple.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavad, Nukshita. Very good children. So all are good with the rhyme. Okay, so now we are going to sing the new rhyme. Remember the new rhyme? What is the new rhyme? Who can tell me what is the new rhyme? What is the new rhyme? Who remembers the rhyme? One first line. Yeah, Rohita, unmute and tell me, Rohita, what is the rhyme?
Okay.
Ma'am, I want this right now.
Yeah, what is the rhyme?
She acting okay, but she.
Sir, kande gutne pai. Ready?
Yes.
Rohita is ready. Come on, Naitik, stand up. Vidyut, stand up. Nukshita, stand up. We are going to do the rhyme. Sir, kande gutne pai.
सिर कंधे
Let me see what your big guitar will do.
कंधे घुटने और मैं घुटने पे सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं घुटने पे और आंखें और कान और मैं सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं घुटने पे सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं घुटने पे सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं घुटने पे और आंखें और कान और मैं सिर कंधे घुटने और मैं घुटने पे आंखें
Okay, I'll stop. We'll do it slowly and then we'll sing. Go with the singing. Okay. Ma'am will sing slowly. You do with me. Okay. Okay. Sir. Come on, Naitik, stand up. Sir, kande, gutne, pair. Sir, kande, gutne, pair. Sir, kande, gutne, pair. Okay. So sir is head, kande is shoulders, knee is gutne, pair is your feet. Okay. Sir, kande, gutne. We'll do it slowly and then we'll go with the rhyme. Okay. Sir. Kande, gutne, pair. Sir, kande, gutne, pair. Okay. Last time. Sir. Come on with you. Sir, kande, gutne, touch your knees. Pair, touch your feet. Aankhein, open your mouth and say with me. Aankhein, kaan, pull your ears. Come on with you, pull your ears. Kaan, mukh, naak. Aankhein, open your mouth and say. Aankhein, kaan, mukh, naak. Okay. Aankhein, कान, मुख और नाक. Okay. Sir. Last time, children. Sir, kande, gutne, पैर. आंखें, कान, मुख, नाक. Okay, so now ma'am is not going to do. I'm going to say you're going to do. Okay, let's see. Sir. Very good. Sir, touch your head. Nukshita, touch your head, sir. Nukshita, I don't want you to take the notebook until I tell you. Okay, sir, touch your head, sir. Sir. Kande. Kande. Gutne. Gutne. Touch your knees. Gutne. Naitik, touch your knees, Naitik. Gutne. Pat. Touch your feet. Touch your feet. Anke. Anke. Kan. Kan. Muh. Muh. Nak. Okay, so we are going to do fast. Okay, sit, kande, good day, fast. We are going to do. Ready, children? Ready to do it fast? Vidyut, why are you not doing Vidyut? See, your friends are all standing and doing. I see you sitting. Why Vidyut? You are a good boy, no? I asked everybody to clap for Vidyut. If you do again, I'm going to ask everybody to clap for you. You want claps from everybody, all your friends, right?
Okay, ma'am.
No? Okay. Naitik ready? Rukshita? Rohita ready? We're going to do fast. Okay? Sit. Kande. Gutne. Gutne. Fire. Good, Rukshita. Sir. Sir. Kande. Kande. Gutne. Gutne. Fire. Very good, Naitik, Rohita. Super. Aankhe. Aankhe. Kaan. Kaan. Muh. Muh. Nak. Nak. Very good. Okay. Last time I'm going to play the rhyme. You want to do it. Okay. Let's see if we can do it fast or else we'll do it slowly from tomorrow.
Oh, Sunesh.
Okay, children. So much of exercise you did. Please come to your place. Very good, children. Super. You listened to me and followed me instruction. Very, very good. Super. Okay. So tomorrow I'll bring a slow song. We'll do it slowly. Okay. Rohita, can you show me what is sir, Rohita? Rohita, sir. Which is sir?
What is it?
Sir.
Ma'am can చూపించు రాదా ma'am?
Kande.
కన్నే అంట.
Gutne.
ముక్నే.
Gutne. Fire. Fire. Very good. Anke.
ఆంకే.
Anke. 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 Kan.
కాన్.
Kan. Muh. Muh. Na. Very good, Rohita. Nukshita. Dhanyavad. Nukshita.
అది రాదా ma'am చెప్పు?
Dhanyavad. Sir. Kande. Gutne. Fire. Touch your fire and show me. Yeah, fire. Anke. Anke. Kan. Kan. Muh. Na. Na. Very good, Mr. Super. Naitik, what happened?
Ma'am, he is pinching his lips. And blood is coming.
Naitik, look down and come back. No problem. Go. Don't cry, Naitik. You got hurt?
He is doing by himself.
Drink some water and come. Go. Drink some water and come. Go. Okay. Okay, Vidyut, you're going to do Sir, Kante, Gunte,
Yes. Sorry.
Okay, show me which is Sir. Sir.
Sit.
Sir.
Sit.
Sir. Kande.
Kangi.
Good play.
Very good. Good day. Knees.
down.
Can't.
Touch your feet. Pair.
Pair.
Touch your feet. Very good. Anke. Anke. I'm going to tell your Vanilla ma'am. Vidyut was doing very nice. Shall I tell her? He was doing very nice in my class. Okay. So show me Khan. Touch Khan and show me. Very good. Muh. Touch Muh and show me Muh.
Muh.
Very good. Nak. Very good, Vidyut. So cute. Very, very good. Super.
He got confused, ma'am. He's shouting that this is knock, knock, knock. He's showing me tongue and saying that is only knock. He's fighting with me for that.
Okay. So now you got clear. We are learning Hindi, no? That's why it's different. Okay. Nice. Thank you, Vidyut. Very nice.
I'm ready.
You're okay now, Naitik?
Yes.
Okay. Can you show me now? Sir. Very good. Sir. That is forehead. This is head. Yeah. Kande. Shoulders here. Gutne, carefully. Gutne, pair. Touch it. Very good. Slowly. Yeah. Anke. Eyes. Close your eyes. If you open your eyes, it will poke. Anke. Kan. Muh. Nak. Very good, Naitik. Super. Done. Okay. So now what we're going to do, I think most of you have got your books and notebooks, right? Yes or no? Yes. So what we'll do? So the homework we'll do the tracing lines. In the class we'll write once. Okay. So now please take this page. Please take this page. Our page. Page number 12. That's the first page, no? Yeah. Please take page number 12. Come on, Nukshita, take page number 12. Naitik, you will get the book today. Okay. What about Vidyut? Please take page number 12 here. Se ana. It's given there. Se adrak. Ginger. Touch your finger. No, first we'll read, then we'll write. Rohita, you will write. Definitely will write. Please. Yes, same thing, Nukshita. Good. Se anar. Touch your finger. And show me. Se anar.
Asana.
Se adrak.
Same together.
Yes, very good. Okay, Naitik has remembered me one thing. I asked you to bring any one thing of all those letters, no? Have you brought it today?
Yes, ma'am. Rohita achi okali anar ati all ullu.
Yes, Naitik, you can keep it down. Thank you. First, we will write and then you're going to show me, okay? So first, in Hindi, you will have 5 lines. You will have a red line, 3 blue lines. Listen, Vidyut, listen here. Nukshita, Rohita, everybody listen here. Naitik, you can listen here even if you don't have book. No problem. See, I'm showing you. You'll have 5 lines, okay? Red line, 3 blue lines and then a red line. So we are going to write within this blue line. Okay? So you're going to start writing 3, sleeping line, 1, and then sleeping line at the top. So please trace the first line and write Say Anna. Write the first line. Come on, children. Take your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Put today's date. You know what is today's date? 17, I believe. 17, 11, 20. I will write and show for you. 17, 11, 20, 20 or 20. Naitik, you can write it in your rough note, Naitik, no problem. Write See, ma'am is showing you the date. (17.11) 17.11.2020 or 20 is enough. Please write a date in the notebook here. You will have your dinak on the left hand corner. This is for me to sign. Right hand side is for me to sign. Left hand side, dinak, date. Dinak is date. Everybody got your pencil sharpened? Write date here on the left hand corner. Start writing the first line. A say anar. A say adrak. My dear friend Vidyut started writing. Yes or no? Nukshita, dear, did you write the date, Nukshita? You wrote the date here? Okay, okay. Don't poke your pencil. Okay.
Rasrada ma'am cheppu. Date rasaga cheppu ma'am ki.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rohita. Can you sit and write, Rohita?
Okay, sit there
You
ma'am.
have pain in your neck if you lie down and write. Sit properly and write.
Sir,
Sit properly and write. Naitik, did you write as a anar in your rough note?
Amma.
అమ్మా ఎలా చెప్పనా చూడు నా మాట విను. ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఇది రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఈ డాట్స్, ఇక్కడ ఈ డాట్స్. సారీ
You're
సారీ
getting your rough note, okay.
I got book.
What, Naitik? You got?
Book.
You got your book. Wow, that's a surprise. You didn't tell me.
Just now, ma'am.
Oh, fresh. Okay. Come on, Naitik, write your name on the first page. Let me see. Wow, nice. No, you should thank your father and mother, Naitik. Say thank you to your mother. Naitik, are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, did you say thank you to your mother? She got it on time for the class, no?
అమ్మ எனக்கு இதெல்ல வந்ததா அது
Take page number 1 to 12. This one, anar and adrak page. Very good. Write the date at the bottom, Naitik. After writing your name in the book, write the name at the bottom. I'm sorry, date at the bottom. Rohita, sit properly and write, Rohita. No lying down and writing, Rohita. Rohita. Be it a class or when you're writing at home also, I don't want you to lie down and write. You will have a pain in your neck later on. Sit properly and write. Yeah, sit properly and write. Say anar. You already know to write. No, don't get help from your mom. You write yourself. Vidyut, are you writing Vidyut?
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Nukshita, if you're writing, just show me thumbs up, Nukshita. Very good. Keep writing. Finish the first line and show me. Let me see who is going to finish first. Naitik has just started, so no problem. Others, let's see.
Rohita first line finish ma'am.
Who is going to finish first? Let me see.
Rohita ma'am.
Rohita, I think it's Nukshita. Nukshita is going to finish first.
Second line start Rohita.
Wow, Rohita. Write neatly. Rohita, I'll correct your homework and send it across today, okay? Afternoon. Send me the homework, no? Very good, Rohita.
Okay ma'am చెప్పు. Okay గురుజీ చెప్పు.
Yes, ma'am.
write the city in the notebook. Come on, write and show me with your first line. Who is going to finish? Rohita, Nukshita. No. Naitik or Vidyut? Let me see who is going to finish first. Come on, Vidyut, write fast and show me. Ask
చెప్తా ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఓకే రాదమ్మా ఇంక చూపించు ఫస్ట్ 2 లైన్స్ కదమ్మా.
Let me see. Give me a minute. Very nice. You traced it. Very good, Nukshita, Rohita. You can write your date at the bottom, left hand corner, down. Dinak. It's given here. See? There you can write your date.
దినాంక ఓకే మా డేట్ అంటే సర్లే
Yes, I'm showing you know. Bottom, yeah, there you can write your date. Letter write, ma'am. Give it to her. Letter write.
టుమారో నుంచి డేట్ ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. నాట్ అప్ ఓకేనా మ్యామ్? 2 lines ఆర్ ఫుల్లీ
if she has finished the first 2 lines, let her write, ma'am, because the rest of the things I'm going to give it as a homework. She can write now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one doubt. Yeah. Full ana, ma'am. Same ikkada.
No, it's not. Everything is A only. No, this one. It's just
okay.
A.
Thank you, ma'am. Dadalli. Trace. Neat ga trace.
Make sure you touch the blue lines. All the 3 blue lines and write.
Okay,
the blue line.
Only blue line la rayal talli. 4 rule episode.
What you have written? Let me see, Nukshita.
Okay.
Rohita, can you stay on mute, Rohita? Thank you. Vidyut, can I see till what you have written, Vidyut? Can you show Radha, ma'am?
He's just tracing, ma'am.
Vidyut, super. Right, A say anar, A say adrak. Nukshita, can you show me, Nukshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Did you finish the first line?
Wait. Yes, ma'am. Nukshita finished.
Very good. You started writing. Very good. Write within the blue line. Very good, Nukshita. Super, dear. Very, very good.
Right.
Good. Naitik, can you see that? Good, Naitik. Did you write the first line? That I'm not able to see clearly. If you have written it, then fine. Did you trace the first 2 lines, Naitik? No. Yes or no?
No.
Can you trace the first 2 lines and then start writing?
Okay.
Thank you, Naitik. That will be very easy for the rest of things you can write as homework. Children, just let me know if you have finished the first 2 lines, because I want to revise numbers and A to Aha. So let me know if you have finished the first 2 lines. Rohita, you finished the first 2 lines, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rohita, shall we count numbers?
Numbers and quotes.
Can come. We'll finish.
Number 1 quotes. ఇలా పెట్టి ఇవి తర్వాత రాద్ది కానీ నెంబర్స్ అనుకో కొంచెం
A.
3 చూడు
A.
A.
2
दोन
3
तीन
4
चार
5
पाँच अब मैं भी चेंज करा रही हूँ
6 7 8
अच्छा
9 10.
yes
Very good. Okay. We are going to do this also.
హాయ్ అని చెప్పు
I say ananas
Very good.
I say
Super. I got arm for you today.
say
I got arm for you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ధన్యవాద్
thanks ma'am
ధన్యవాద్
Okay.
धन्यवाद जी
Thank you, Rohita. Yeah, read the next one. Rohita, come on.
please say Mali
Good.
ఈ
Look here, look here.
please say me
Very good. Next.
ఓ
please say Ulu
Very good. Look here, look here.
చూడు మామం చూడు అది చూడు
Look at that.
ఓ
Ooh
సెవెన్
ooh say un
చూడు అది ఇదేంటండి
this say itchy
Very good.
ఐ
I say I
This is not I. This is A. Say A-D.
A say AD
Only if you look at me, I'm going to show. I'm going to close this. You look at me and then I'll show. Look at me. A. Say A-D.
A say AD
ఇప్పుడు ఐ
I say I nak
అది చూడు
U say aquali
Very good.
Au say aulu
ఔరత్
Hmm.
say amar
అంగూర్
angur aha
Very good, Rohita. Super. Good job. Very good. Okay, and I saw Vidyut has finished rest talk. Vidyut, ready to read?
It's my Pari.
ma'am
Yes, come on, read with me. You're going to teach me now.
Pari.
What is this?
Then,
ate anar
Ah, this one.
say
ate aap
Look at me, Vidyut. Turn this side and look at Radha ma'am.
Screen is not. We couldn't
Ah.
see the screen, ma'am.
Oh, that you have logged into 2 devices, is it? This one. Vidyut.
Ma'am, you're not visible.
I'm not visible.
One minute, ma'am. Yeah, now I can see you, ma'am. Ma'am, no.
Okay. Vidyut, what is this?
Pari. Then that Pari.
E
Ma'am,
say.
no, sir. Just see, ma'am. Vidyut.
Vidyut. Vidyut, where are you?
Sound Pari.
e
Sound I.
Ah, this one. This one.
e
Very good. E.
Then the no screen no. Sound I. Ooh.
This one.
Ooh. Pari.
Here.
Ah, yeah. Ooh, Pari.
u
Re.
ri
A.
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 I
I.
I
O.
O
Au.
O
Aha.
aha
Okay. Ek. Now have your hands like this. Ek. Do.
एक
Do.
दो
तीन.
तीन
चार.
चार
पाँच.
पाँच
छः.
छः
सात.
आठ
आठ.
आठ
नौ.
नौ
10.
सात
Very good, Vidyut. Vidyut and Rohita, you can log off the class over for both of you. Naitik and Nukshita.
Thank you. धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद
Dhanyavad, Vidyut. Dhanyavad, Rohita. Take care. See you on Thursday. Bye-bye.
धन्यवाद
Yeah, Nukshita, come on. We'll